In today's video, I am going to teach you how to refresh Shopify OS 2.0 theme. If you are using Shopify, you may notice that themes sometimes need a refresh to keep everything running smoothly, especially after updates or changes within your store. The good news is that Shopify makes it straightforward to duplicate your theme and then publish the refreshed version. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the exact process, step by step, so you always know what to click and what to look for. First, go to the place where Shopify manages your theme files. In your Shopify admin dashboard, find and open the area labeled Online Store, and then go to Themes. This is where all of your active theme versions and theme options are displayed. Take a moment to let the Themes page load fully, because you will need to see both your currently used theme and any available duplicates or updates. Next, look through the Theme Library section to identify the theme you are currently using. This is important because you want to duplicate the same theme that is live on your store, not a different one that you might have experimented with in the past. On the Themes page, you will see a list of themes. Find the theme that indicates it is the active or currently used version, and confirm you are selecting the correct one before moving on. Once you have found the theme you are currently using, you will duplicate the latest version. To do that, click the three dots, sometimes shown as an ellipsis, next to the theme you identified. This menu is where Shopify gives you options for managing that specific theme. Spend a moment here to make sure you are clicking the three dots next to the correct theme name, because each theme in the list has its own menu. After you open the three dots menu, select Duplicate of the latest version of your theme from the Shopify theme store. Shopify is essentially helping you create a clean copy based on the most up-to-date version available in the theme store. This is the part that refreshes your theme approach because the duplicate starts from the latest baseline rather than an older build. When you choose this option, Shopify will generate the new duplicated theme for you. Now that the refreshed duplicate is created, you will wait for it to appear in your theme list. Depending on your store size and Shopify processing time, it may take a few moments. During this time, keep an eye on the Themes page so you can confirm the new theme version is shown in the theme library. Once it is ready, you should see the new refreshed version listed alongside the previous one. When you are ready, the final step is to publish the refreshed theme so it becomes live for your customers. Look for the refreshed duplicate theme and then click Publish. Publishing is what switches the active theme to the refreshed version. This means your store will immediately use the updated theme build you duplicated earlier. After you click Publish, take a second to confirm that the published theme is now marked as the active theme. This confirmation matters because it tells you the refresh is complete and the store is using the intended version. If your theme has assets and settings that were carried over, you should now be viewing the refreshed theme in a live state. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.